In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google form on your mobile phone. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to build a form from scratch, customize it, and get it ready to share, all without using a computer. First, unlock your phone and open your web browser. On most phones, that will be Chrome, Safari, or a similar browser. In the address bar at the top, type forms.google.com and go to that page. If you're not already signed in, you may be asked to log in with your Google account. Make sure you're using the account where you want to save your form. Once the Google Forms homepage loads, you'll see a few template options. To keep things simple, choose the blank form. On mobile, this usually appears as a white card with a plus sign labeled blank. Tap that to start a new form. You'll now see a new form with a default title like Untitled Form. Tap on that title and type in a name that clearly describes what your form is for, such as Event Registration or Feedback Survey. Just below the title, there's a description area. You can tap there to add instructions or context for your respondents, like what the form is about and how long it will take to complete. Next, let's work on your questions. Your first question will appear automatically. Tap on the text that says Untitled Question and type your question. To the right, you'll see the question type menu. Tap it to choose the format you want, such as multiple choice, checkboxes, short answer, or paragraph. For example, if you need someone's name, use short answer. If you're asking them to pick one option from a list, use multiple choice. Below the options, you'll see a toggle for Required. Turn this on if you want to make sure people can't submit the form without answering that question. To add another question, tap the plus icon, usually found in the floating toolbar on the side or bottom of the screen. Repeat the same process for each new question. Type the question, choose the type, add options if needed, and decide whether it's required. Take a moment to scroll through your form on your phone to make sure everything looks clear and easy to read. When you're happy with your form, tap the eye icon at the top to preview it. This shows you exactly what your respondents will see on their own devices. Finally, when you're ready to share your form, tap the Send or Share icon at the top. From here, you can copy the link and share it through messaging apps, email, or social media. And that's it. You've created a Google form using just your mobile phone.